If you're used to making white rice every single time, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy and aromatic rice recipe loaded with veggies, and it's super delicious. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 cups of basmati rice. Also, you'll need some fresh vegetables. I have some broccoli, carrots, zucchini, some red bell pepper, onion, and garlic. For my spices, I'll be using some fennel seeds, some black peppercorns, cumin seeds, cardamon pods, and bay leaves, which are going to make our rice very flavorful and aromatic. To get started, you're going to start off by boiling your rice. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in my spices. So I'm going to add in some cumin seeds, about 6 to 8 black peppercorns, fennel seeds, 6 cardamon pods, bay leaf. Toast your spices for around a minute. This is going to make the spices very fragrant. I'll use my spatula and break open the cardamom pods, just like that. Once the spices start to pop, you're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, add in my washed rice, toss the rice for around a minute together with the aromatic cooking oil. After 1 minute, I'm going to add in 3 cups of water. Stir in my rice. Then I'm going to cook the rice until the water has reduced. Cover and simmer on low for around 5 minutes so that the rice can fully cook. As the rice is cooking, I'm going to be chopping up my veggies. So I'm going to start off with my broccoli. So I'm going to chop off the florets. Transfer the broccoli to a plate. Peel my carrots. Cut off the ends of the carrots. And before chopping up your veggies, make sure the veggies are clean. I had already washed my vegetables. So I'm going to cut in half and then I'm going to chop into small pieces, just like this. These are 3 small carrots. Transfer to my plate. Next, chop up my zucchini. I'm going to be using 3/4 of my zucchini. Cut in half into long strips and dice. Bell pepper. Remove the seeds and the membrane. Roughly chop up my red capsicum as well. Chop up 1 small onion. Finely dice 1 small onion. Place aside, and then I'm going to dice 3 cloves of garlic. Once the water has fully reduced, I'm going to reduce the flames to low. Cover and simmer the rice for 5 minutes. And I'm done chopping up my veggies. So I'll wait for 5 minutes and then I'm going to be showing you the next step. Saute the onions until soft. This is how my rice is looking like. I'm going to remove the bay leaves. Using a fork, I'm going to fluff up my rice. And the rice is very aromatic. Once my onions are ready, I'm going to add in some garlic. Cook for about 30 seconds until the garlic is fragrant. Once the garlic is ready, I'm going to add in my carrots, assorted bell peppers, my broccoli, and zucchini. Toss the vegetables around. Cook for around 1 to 2 minutes over low flame. And I've added all the veggies at once because they all take a while to cook. So I'll be cooking the veggies for around 1 minute to 2 minutes. And as the veggies are cooking, I'm going to add in a small amount of salt, like half a teaspoon of salt. This is to fully season my rice. Stir in. I have some greens, some oranges, some reds from the capsicum, and also I have magenta from the onions. I'm not going to be adding any more spices because I have already added around 5 spices to my rice. All I have to do is to check if the seasoning is perfect. Once the broccoli has softened up and the carrots are also soft, I'm going to add in my rice. You can see how fluffy the rice is looking. Stir in the rice into the veggies. This is how the rice is looking like. You're going to toss the rice together with the soft and delicious vegetables. Over low flame, you're going to cook for around 1 minute because the rice is still hot. Also, the rice is going to soak up all those amazing vegetable flavors. So make sure to cook for around 1 minute. After around 1 minute, my vegetable rice is ready and it's looking so good. You can see how fluffy the rice is looking like. Also, I love that the veggies are soft and also looking very delicious and perfect. And this vegetable rice recipe is best served while still warm over some proteins, maybe some chicken, beef, or even mutton. Or you can enjoy the rice as it is, and also you can serve the rice over some curry, some vegetable curry, and still enjoy each and every bite. So this recipe has taken me around 15 minutes and it's totally worth it because the rice is just delicious.